everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We all see those glow-up transformations online. The perfect skin, the amazing style, the confident vibe. And maybe you've been trying, doing all the things, but you look in the mirror and think, why isn't my glow-up happening yet? The truth is, a real glow-up isn't just about makeup or a new haircut. It's about deep, often hidden shifts. Today we're diving into the most common, subtle, and sometimes brutal reasons why you might be stuck in a rut and not seeing that transformation you crave. Get ready to take notes, because we're not just going over the problems, we're pointing you toward the solutions. Part 1. Body and energy blocks, health and wellness. These are about the basic physical care your body needs to look and feel its best. 1. Chronic dehydration. You feel perpetually thirsty because you don't drink enough water throughout the day. When your body is dehydrated, it saves the water for vital organs, leaving your skin dry. This lack of moisture causes your skin to look dull, tired, and wrinkly, often leading to noticeable under-eye bags and loss of plumpness. Don't wait for your thirst signal. That's often too late. Get a nice reusable water bottle and make it your constant companion. Keep it within sight and reach, on your desk, next to the sofa, and focus on taking small, constant sips all day long to maintain steady hydration. 2. Sleep deprivation. Getting less than the recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep prevents your body and skin from completing their essential repair work. Lack of sleep triggers the release of stress hormones, cortisol, which can cause inflammation. The visible result is usually tired, puffy eyes, and a complexion that lacks vitality and freshness. Implement a strict power-down hour every night before your set bedtime. This means turning off all bright screens, phone, computer, TV, that emit light that suppresses the sleep hormone. It means to use that time instead to relax by reading a book or listening to quiet music to prepare your mind for rest. 3. Nutritional neglect. If your diet consists mainly of fast, processed, and sugary foods, your skin is missing key nutrients. A healthy glow starts internally. Diets high in sugar often cause inflammation and breakouts, and you miss out on essential glow nutrients like omega-3s for hydration and vitamin C for collagen. Begin with one small change today. Instead of grabbing your usual processed snack, like a soda or a packaged treat, choose a single piece of fruit, like a handful of berries, or some healthy raw nuts. Small, consistent, healthy swaps build a better foundation for your skin's health. Sedentary lifestyle. You sit still most of the day. Moving your body is like giving your system a fresh start. It boosts circulation, which gives your skin that natural, healthy, just exercised glow. You don't need a gym. Walk fast, briskly, for 20 minutes every day while you listen to your favorite music or podcast. Constant stress. You worry too much and feel overwhelmed. Stress is physically damaging. It causes inflammation, which makes your skin break out and look dull. Commit to taking 5 minutes every morning for deep, mindful breathing or to write down your thoughts, journaling. This calms your nervous system. Part 2. Inner voice blocks, mindset and identity. A big part of glowing up is how you talk to yourself and think about your life. 6. Toxic self-talk. Your inner voice is your biggest critic. You constantly put yourself down in your mind. This negativity holds you back more than anything else. When you hear a negative thought, stop it and immediately rephrase it. Change. I always fail to, I am learning and trying my best. 7. Perfectionism, paralysis. You wait for the perfect time to start. You think you need the best products or a flawless plan before you begin your routine, skincare, fitness, etc. Adopt the B- approach. Don't aim for perfect, aim for finished. Just start with a small, imperfect action. Done is better than perfect. 8. Living in the past. You let old mistakes define you. You keep looking back at past failures, heartbreaks, or bad habits. A glow-up needs you to look forward. Forgive yourself for your mistakes. Understand that every day is a totally fresh start. Don't let yesterday ruin today's potential. 9. Comparing yourself to others. You spend too much time on social media. You scroll through other people's perfect highlight reels and feel like you're not good enough. Drastically cut down your social media time. If you do use it, look at it only for inspiration, not to compare your life to theirs. 10. no clear vision. You want to glow up, but don't know what that means. What exactly are you trying to become? If you don't know the goal, you won't hit it. Write down 3 tangible qualities of your future, glowing self. Examples: confident, organized, energetic. This gives you a focus. Part 3, daily life blocks, habits and environment. These blocks are all about your daily actions and the world around you. 11, inconsistency in your routine. You are motivated for 2 days, then you quit for 5. Short bursts of effort won't change your life. Consistency is the real secret. Stop trying to change everything at once. Pick one tiny habit, like washing your face before bed, and promise to do it every single day for 30 days. 12, poor financial habits. You worry about money all the time. Financial stress prevents you from feeling secure, confident, and calm. Create a simple plan. Track every dollar you spend for just 1 week. Knowing where your money goes gives you power and confidence. 13, holding on to old clothes. Your closet is full of clothes that don't fit or you don't like. Wearing clothes that make you feel bad is a confidence killer. Do a ruthless closet clean out. Get rid of anything that doesn't fit or that you don't absolutely love wearing today. 14, waiting for permission. You're waiting for a special event or a new season to start. You believe you need a better job, a breakup, or the new year to finally be your best self. Stop waiting. You do not need permission from anyone, including yourself. The time to glow up is right now. 15, keeping toxic social circles. The energy of the people you spend the most time with will eventually rub off on you. Negative people block your positive momentum. Take a look at your 5 closest contacts. Intentionally reduce the time you spend with the most draining person and increase the time you spend with the person who makes you feel the most motivated. 16, ignoring your environment. Your home or room is cluttered and messy. A messy room often leads to a messy, stressed out mind. Your space affects your mood. Do the 5-minute tidy. Set a timer and put away as much as you can. You will be surprised how much better you feel afterward. 17, poor time management, no planning. You start every day without a clear plan or focus. You let your day happen to you instead of guiding it, leading to wasted time and stress. Spend 5 minutes tonight writing down the 3 most important things, MITs, you must achieve tomorrow. Focus only on those 3 first. 18, chronic procrastination. You put off important tasks until the last minute. This creates unnecessary stress and anxiety, which blocks your feeling of calm confidence. The fix: use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, like replying to an email or loading the dishwasher, do it immediately instead of putting it off. So, those are the 18 hidden obstacles standing between you and the glow up you deserve. Which one hit you the hardest? The key takeaway here is this: a true glow up is not a destination. It's a series of sustainable, positive habits. Start with the one point that felt most relevant and tackle that first. Small changes lead to massive transformations. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more transformative content, and ring that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.